Hey guys, Cam over at B&R Auto Repair, Redline Dyno Center. So what we're going to do today is we're going to run a injector cleaning service. We offer this. We're the only shop in the area that I know of that offers this service. And here's why it's so critical to have this service done. Injectors are a super expensive thing. Some cars, I mean, we're talking anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars. So basically what we do here in-house is we run an ultrasonic cleaning service, and then we flow bench test everything. We check the rate of flow. We check pretty much everything that the injector can do capability-wise. And it also saves the customer a lot of money by doing this small maintenance service for the future, so we don't have to worry about injector failure. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to run you through a little bit about the service and how we go about it. So we come through here in our ultrasonic cleaner. Take all the injectors out. We put them in our flow bench tester. This particular car had a really lean situation on cylinder 4. So what we did was we checked our injector, we marked it at cylinder 4, we put it in our system. Also, to kind of dummy proof everything, this was over here initially on the block. I wanted to make sure, because yesterday we had another injector come in off of a Silverado, so we had 8 injectors that we ran through, and one of them came in and also failed on this. So in order to ensure that it wasn't a block failure, we ended up switching it over to this, and I will show you exactly on our variable speed test what we found. So as you can see, all the other injectors are flowing perfectly. Super efficient. That cylinder in cylinder 4 is dead. So that's why we had that lean situation. So what we're going to do is we're going to recommend to the client that we get a new injector. We're going to install that with our new clean injectors. Most shops only have the capability of being able to recommend new injectors. It's kind of hard to pinpoint without being able to flow bench test right away. So at $25 an injector, we can also provide the service to you. At the end of the service, you put all new O-rings, install, and it's done. So feel free to reach out to us. Anybody has any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks.